It is great to have you back here on my Coin Lady channel. This video will cover a lot of ground, all of it related to Ripple and XRP. The deadline for the SEC's decision on whether or not to appeal in the Ripple v SEC case is now just 2 weeks away. Let me bring up a few topics to discuss with you now. In this regard, I would like to provide you with the statistics on what the experts, both legal and otherwise, have to say, as well as the community at large, have to say, because we recently conducted a survey. Additionally, we will provide you with all the latest information and updates regarding the price of XRP, our current position, and our potential future directions. All I ask is that you folks write an X in the comment section if you enjoy discussing Ripple and XRP. I have all that and more. Give this video a thud and spread the word. Inform people all across the globe on the current state of the digital revolution. Before anything else, gentlemen, make sure Ashley prospers by following her on Twitter, X previously new, and me. Just a friendly reminder that tomorrow, the 21st of the 24th, all 5 SEC commissioners will be testifying before the U.S. House Committee on Financial Services. I apologize. Introducing the wicked Tom Emmer. Tom Emmer and Patrick McHenry are two people that everyone knows I like. Gary Gensler is one of 5 commissioners who will be subjected to intense questioning. Present today, we have Gary Gensler, who shared his lodgings for the week in a post. On the 24th, my other commissioners and I will be testifying before Congress. In reaction, Tom Emmer shared the hashtag fire and wrote, "Looking forward to holding your feet to the fire." Gary Gensler, so we'll have to keep a careful eye on this. A plethora of data will be forthcoming tomorrow. Something we'll be closely monitoring, but rest assured that I will keep you informed of the latest developments about the channel. John Deaton, you have always been on the side of the XRP Army and us investors. I want to thank you for all the support you've given us over the years, but you shouldn't be saying things like XRP investors are being taken advantage of by the government and unelected bureaucrats like Gary Gensler. Speaking of which, Ripple has spent nearly $200 million on legal fees alone, and that doesn't even account for the damage the SEC has inflicted on us investors. As I've mentioned in previous videos, we've taken the brunt of their actions. I wonder how much higher XRP would be right now if this BS case hadn't happened. I would like to discuss with you the possibility of an appeal as we approach the deadline. To begin, I'm not sure, but I'm leaning toward the idea that there is no appeal, and it appears that the majority of the community feels the same way. Since I polled over 2,000 people, nearly all of them, 85%, said no attraction. Chief Legal Officer Stuart Alderati, who certainly knows more than the rest of us put together, thinks there's a good chance there may be an appeal, so we won't know for sure until we hear otherwise. Everyone is probably thinking, well, it doesn't take long to file an appeal, so they would have already done it, which is a valid point. We are all aware that government agencies move at a snail's pace, and this one is no exception. Today on X from Twitter News, I had a conversation with retired securities lawyer Mark Fagel, and he made a valid point about how they do go through review processes. For one, we are aware that bureaucracies move at a snail's pace. For another, decisions of this kind undergo a thorough review process at the highest levels. Something we should so keep a careful eye on. However, I will publicly state my belief that there will be no appeal and hope for the best. I have also been quite forthright and honest. We will not be halted in the event that an appeal is filed. We check out what Ripples is up to with all these global agencies. Even the SEC has acknowledged that XRP is not a security, hence the future of Ripple and XRP are crystal clear. Its destination is also readily apparent. All we want is to reach there as soon as possible. An executive board member named Piero Cipolle has stated that the European Central Bank has introduced a digital euro today. This digital currency will be accessible to all citizens of the euro region and will be accepted anywhere. Customers, businesses, and financial institutions would all reap real benefits from it. Keep in mind that the Edo for Reno that is soon to be released will be public and will operate on the XRP platform. Riffler was a partner of the Euro Association. Something to have in mind once more when we approach the appeal, no appeal stage. How are institutional interests faring? I think it's vital to keep an eye on what institutional investors are doing, as you all know, or at least most of you who have been subscribers for any amount of time, because I'm quite interested in that. For what reasons should we pay attention to the institutional investors? Well, usually they're ahead of us, aren't they? According to a recent CoinShare report, institutional investors have been increasing their bets on XRP, even if we are witnessing withdrawals of cash from ADA and Ethereum, as well as XRP goods. Many individuals are trying to get money into it. For this video, I teamed up with JumpX, and we're witnessing a surge in institutional interest in XRP-related products. A sponsor is involved in this. Check this exchange out if you're interested in buying, selling, or trading cryptocurrency. With JumpX, they can soar into the future. They have fantastic choices. Even as a novice user, you have a lot of options to choose from if you enjoy doing leverage plays. Up to $50,000 in bonuses are available for new users. Hey there, JumpX guys. Just wanted to give you the lowdown on what happened at the Token 2049 event. Their status as a gold member and reserve was evidence of that. Because of how secure it is, I prefer this exchange. It is crucial for me as an investor to be able to see our investor credits on chain and JumpX's assets all demonstrable, and you can literally look at all of that on their website. Let me know if you trust Kamala Harris when she says she's for digital assets and AI. If not, write no in the comments. We saw this yesterday. Contrarily, Donald Trump has stated, "I believe crypto has a great future," within the last day. Perhaps the $35 trillion in debt will be paid off. The question of whether Donald Trump supports cryptocurrency needs no answering. He has been really vocal about this entire ordeal, as he usually is. At this stage of the game, nevertheless, it is intriguing to observe Kamala publicly stating her support for this industry. Finally, a crypto bull with 145,000 followers predicts that XRP will reach $35 soon. Has been present for some time. According to him, it consistently touched 6 cents to 43 cents, and it hit the white line during every bull run in the yellow line. It would be absolutely stunning to see $35 as our next target, guys. I'm still really bullish on XRP. The last countdown has begun. Seeing my video is an honor. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.